Have you ever met a person that always has their nose in a book? Well, now you can say you have met one. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nikayla Kelly, but people call me Kayla or KK. I'm currently 18 years old. I will be 19 next month. I graduated from Shays Valley High School, and I have a 15-year-old younger sister named Aaliyah, who's currently at Shays Valley too. And this is my second semester at Lawson State Community College. I'm here to do my general studies, and once I finish here, I would transfer to UAB. I want to be a doctor and an anesthesiologist to be exact. And one of the facts about me is that I really, really, really love to read books. So if you're watching this, let me know any kind of books you would want me to read, because I'm open to suggestions. I read any kind of books. It doesn't really matter. But quick question. What are the things that you love to do the most? I'll go first. The things I love to do is I listen to this music to help me sleep or to calm me down when I'm doing homework or studying. And another thing is that I love reading, as I said before, and I really love swimming. Yes, I love swimming. And I love cooking. I've been cooking for a while now, but when I first started, my mom wouldn't let me enter the kitchen because she was scared of my cooking. But my grandma's the one that's been teaching me ever since I was little. But she sadly passed away last year in August. Yeah. But another thing is that I love traveling with my family. We used to travel every year, but since COVID happened, we had to stop and take a break. But hopefully, we can start back traveling. I hope the next place be Florida, because I always wanted to go to Florida. It's one of the places I want to go. But thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.